When you come to the end of this course, we're going to be asking you to craft your own theology of worship. And how is it grounded in your current church of worship? How is it distinguished from your current church of worship? And how, if at all, this class has impacted your theology. So that's what that question, that's two. Now what we generally do is give you a series of essay questions from which you can choose from. But when you come to the final, if you are in trouble, you can choose to write on all 7 and gain extra points toward whatever deficiencies you have in the class. And so I am a person who is concerned about the students achieving the student learning objectives, and I'm glad that God has blessed me with smaller classes so that I can give the students the attention that they need and the opportunity to repeat and make up stuff if they don't get it the first time around. Now, if there were 50 students in this class, or 40 or 30, I could not do that. But students who really want a quality education, they gravitate toward classes like this because they know it's going to be a quality experience. But folk who want to be validated, if you want to be validated to get that big church, you in the wrong class. If you want a quality experience that we will share, and I always tell my students I learn as much from my students as they learn from me. And I expect that because everybody comes from a different setting, and God has gifted you with certain things and knowledges and experiences that I can take and empower other students when they come. So every class that I have taught here since 2002, that has been the case. That I leave out of that class as empowered or more empowered than the students that I have empowered. And so there is a total sense of respect because you didn't just learn Christ today. Just because you came in this class, you have worshiped. You've had experiences. And God is bigger than any one of us sitting in this classroom. And so, you know, whatever I may put on you as a criteria, hopefully you will follow it in the class. And then I know that when you leave here, as I did when I left ITC, that there's going to be a combination of what you learn. Some things you're going to hold on to, some things you're not. And that's the way education is. And so with that, we have covered the general objectives, and I'm going to pause and see if there are any questions. You can turn that off. Just a moment.